Hello, and welcome to Hotstrings with AutoHotkey. You're going to learn to be more efficient by easily inserting text into any Windows-based game or program. Think of Hotstrings as like text expansion or autocorrect on your phone. It'll really make it easy to be much more efficient. My name's Joe, and along with my colleague, Jackie Sztuk, I'll be leading you through this course. Hotstrings are a great, easy way to become more efficient because you can tell the computer, hey, when I type these couple letters and hit a key, have it automatically insert all of this text. The text can be basically as long as you want. There are different methods for approaching longer strings and shorter ones, but it works in any Windows-based game or program. So you can easily type in and log into your websites. You can have, let's say if you were running SQL, you can have a lot of your SQL code at the tips of your fingers. You don't have to go hunt and find your template. Right? If you always have to type the name of your company, or if you have, let's say you work in a doctor's office and you have very specific words that you have to use, there's no need to be able to remember how to spell them or go find them. You can type in 2 or 3 letters and have that automatically pop up in any program that you're using. This course is broken into 4 main sections. The first part is where we just demonstrate how you can install AutoHotkey and set up a default editor. The second part is getting the basics of Hotstrings, how they work and function, as well as sending Unicode and repeating keystrokes. The third section is having context-sensitive Hotstrings. That means the same thing you type gets replaced with something different depending on what program you're in, as well as sharing Hotstrings with other people and using Hotstrings in games. The fourth part is basically troubleshooting. What happens when certain things don't work the way you want them to. The ideal student for this course uses a Windows-based computer. There's no technical background required. However, what is really helpful is the desire to work smarter and not harder. Thank you for the interest in this course. We truly believe that if you begin using them, you will find yourself working on what matters and not the mundane.